To learn how to insert a bookmark into a Google document. Now, what do we mean by this? I have made a Google document here on the topic seasons in India. I have an index over here. This is the index. Now, if I scroll down like this, see that the document is very long, right? Suppose according to the index, suppose I want to only see the autumn season in India. So I'll have to scroll down so much and then go till the autumn season in India. See, here is the autumn season in India. So if I want to directly go on the autumn season in India from the index, from here, so how to do it? Okay, so let's see how to do it. First, what we will do is we will insert a bookmark where we want to point to. So suppose I want to point to over here. See, first we will do for autumn season. So where is the autumn season? So we'll put the cursor, the mouse cursor on the autumn season. Okay, so here is the autumn season. So if I put the mouse cursor over here, I will click on the insert menu. See, at the bottom of the insert menu we have bookmark option. See, I have put a bookmark over here. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is we will go back to the index. Okay, here is the index. Now we want, if we want what we want, when we click on this text, we should directly go to autumn season in India, the information about autumn season in India, right? So we will select the text and then we'll click on insert menu. We will click on link and see over here we have headings and bookmarks, right? We'll click on headings and bookmark. Scroll down and see we have one bookmark over here, that is autumn season in India. We click on autumn season. Now when we click over here, it shows us a bookmark. When we click on bookmark, we directly go to autumn season in India. See, we will do, I'll show you once again how to do it. So suppose I want to select winter season now. Okay, so let's go to winter season first and put a bookmark on winter season. Okay, so where is winter season? Over here is the winter season. So we'll put a bookmark over here. So how to do? Click on insert, click on bookmark. Now here is a bookmark for winter season. Now come back to the index. So this is our index. We'll select the winter season text. Okay, we'll click on insert once again, click on link, click on headings and bookmark, scroll down. See, we have winter seasons in bookmarks. So when we click on winter season, now see, if I click on winter season, a bookmark appears. When I click on bookmark, it will directly take me to winter seasons. I hope this was useful for you.